This is merely a coincidence. On this channel, you may pick up helpful knowledge about things like how to improve yourself and how to make money online. I made a video to demonstrate how you may earn money online more quickly by simply watching ads. When you watch the money rolling in uninterrupted, it can be tough to stop employing this money-making strategy. I'll be showing you how to earn $27.23 for free just by watching ads online. You might be astonished to hear that a lot of individuals are paid to view advertisements. Some people even purchase additional phones and laptops so they can simultaneously show advertisements on various gadgets. However, it doesn't take much effort to earn $27.23 per hour just watching advertising. It is possible to occasionally earn some additional cash or a free gift card by watching ads on your phone or computer when you have free time. In some circumstances, you can even carry out this activity while working if you allow the ads to run in the background. With this fantastic potential, today we'd be looking at one with a ton of daily deals, working in all countries, and pays immediately via PayPal or bank transfers. After saying that, let me explain to you how watching ads will enable you to earn $27.23 every hour. But first, before all that, I would love to we teach you the fastest and the easiest ways to make money online without experience and no money required from you as well. I ask that you pay great attention to what I say in this video. I wouldn't want you to lose out on any crucial information about what is essentially a no-cost strategy for making $27.23 per hour by watching ads. You can see that there are 4 different sections on this website where you can earn money right now. Playing games is one of them, and if you choose, you may even do surveys on particular things. Additionally, online buying offers cashbacks and coupons. Then there is watching video advertisements. Although I believe this to be the greatest beginner's technique, remember that I have some advice for you later in this video. Let's now visit the homepage. You can perform this with a computer or a smartphone. You'll discover that this is applicable to all nations worldwide and doesn't involve a financial investment. When you arrive at this website's homepage, you are greeted by links to their mobile app on the App Store or Play Store. This website's name is Paid Work. The site is accessible at paidwork.com. The notion that paid labor is the finest platform for converting your valuable time into money can be seen further down this page. Benefits like a solution-based no flexibility allow people all over the world to use paid employment as a full-time or second job. All you need to start earning $27.23 per hour by watching advertising on this platform is a device and an internet connection. Once more, you have the option to decide exactly how you want to make money from paid employment, playing games, finishing surveys, watching films, purchasing online, and opening accounts. The primary reason they would not appear to make much money using great sites like these is that people sometimes search for jobs that would pay them $1,000 for every movie they watch. That kind of work is really hard to come by, I can assure you of that. Instead, try to concentrate on creating a sizable fortune out of the $2 to $3 you would be making from each work, and you could expect to make up to $250 every month. Everything is completed for a fee and without paying any additional taxes or fees. Your earning potential is unrestricted because you set your own income level. Simply pull out your phone and connect to a reliable internet source to access paid-work.com, where you may start earning $27.23 per hour by watching ads. To learn more about how to earn money online by performing any of these chores, click the How It Works link at the top of the page. Right here, just slowly scroll down to see how you can select a method of earning, how to start earning off your selected method, and get paid by the admins. Still looking for more details on how it works? Check out the Resources tab by clicking on the See More button and exploring this page. Assuming you want to pursue a free account, all you have to do is click on the blue button at the top right that says Registration, and you will be presented this page where you can sign up. You can start by entering your email address and password or using your pre-existing Google or Microsoft account to sign in. Click on the blue Next button after that. Your initial and last name, followed by your gender, would be required on the following page. When you click Register, your dashboard will appear. On the dashboard up here is where you would see all your earnings on this platform. As you can see here, they will pay you quite well to complete simple tasks such as watching ads, playing games, and much more tasks that you can complete from this platform. The best part is that you can choose the type of work you want to work on to get paid. This month, I made over $200, more than $40 this week, and so on, as you can see here on my dashboard. This can be yours too, all through watching ads. Given that you're just starting off, yours may differ slightly, but remain calm and keep in mind what I stated earlier about starting small and letting the money accumulate. On top of your dashboard, this is where the cash will appear once you start bringing it in. So please choose Earn from the left-hand menu in the screen's menu bar right away. You can see the various ways to earn money online with paid job over here that I previously demonstrated in the video. We have come here to click on the watch videos link because we are trying to figure out how to earn $27.23 per hour by watching ads. You will be taken to this page here if you tap on the green Earn button. Since I finished many other tasks before watching this movie, I only have access to the Fiverr task of watching advertising. Currently, Fiverr is a platform that gives mobile app developers some additional options for monetizing their work. Typically, Fiverr, or now also called Digital Turbine, is a one-stop platform for its users' growth and monetization. This company deals with all forms of the mobile advertising experience. They collaborate with app developers, brands, agencies, and even the telecommunications industry to promote product awareness, customer acquisition, and monetization for advertisers among a targeted demographic using mobile devices. To help you understand why I wouldn't be able to complete this work in this video, I gave you a little description of Fiverr. I overstated the necessity of being able to interact with Fiverr video advertisements on a completely mobile device, because that is how they work. As you can see, when you click on this Fiverr button, you'll discover that this kind of monetization is only compatible with iOS or Android mobile devices. You can just tap on either on these available buttons to get the app on your mobile phone and start earning money with Fiverr right away. As you can see, paid work has received over 5 million downloads overall from the Google Play Store. Clearly, 5 million users utilizing this software to earn $27.23 per hour by viewing advertisements cannot be mistaken. We can also see that using Paid Mobile Works app would enable you to accurately track your income. You can see the various methods to monetize the app from there as well, so you know it's not just a web-only function. On the app, you can instantly withdraw money without paying any fees. By monitoring your routine analytics, you can also have influence over your behavior. Additionally, you may invite your friends to use the platform to make money while also earning some money for yourself. So go ahead and register on this platform today to start making a lot of money. And now, if you want to make even more money, watch the next video to learn how to get paid to watch YouTube videos. This is a new method for making free PayPal money by simply watching ads, which anyone can do, regardless of background. Yes, it is doable, and I'll show you precisely how to accomplish it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new content. As always, watch the next video to which shows you the best apps that pay the most money.